Hi all. So welcome to this Streamlit session. In this session, we will discuss about sidebar. See, sidebar is very important basically in Streamlit. Let me show you. Just see this particular dashboard. Here you can see this is called basically sidebar. So let's see how can we build the sidebar. In this particular dashboard, I already created this, so you are able to see this sidebar. But in Streamlit, let's try to see how can we build our own sidebar in Streamlit using Streamlit. So let me go to the VS Code and let's try to build it. So I'm going to create one file. Suppose I'm think the name is sidebar, maybe sidebar.py. Okay. So first let's import Streamlit. So import. Let me. Yeah. Now I think you are able to see. So just a minute. So here you can see I'm importing import Streamlit as st. Now let's make a sidebar here. So I'm writing st dot dot sidebar. Now let's make a heading here. So I'm writing markdown. Using markdown you can make a heading. And suppose I'm writing here one text, that is maybe writing test. Just want to test this. Now I want to use one radio button. So in this Streamlit, I already cover radio button. So let's involve radio button also in this sidebar. So I'm writing st dot sidebar dot radio button. So I already covered the radio button. So in radio button, you can write first text. So I'm writing the text here, like, are you a student? Then let's give option here. So we can give option here. Just a minute. Options, and options may let's say yes, comma, no, right? And see this. So let me save this basically. If you see this, this is the our code. I'm imported Streamlit. Then I make a markdown. Let's write test, and then I use a radio button here using sidebar. And in radio button, I write a text: Are you a student? Option yes or no. So I already cover radio button in this series. That's why I'm not going on that radio button. So let's save it. And now let me run this. So in Streamlit, how can you run? You can write Streamlit run and your py file. So this file name is sidebar dot py. Now let me hit it. See this. Just see this. We are able to make a sidebar here. If you see, this is the sidebar. See this. This is the test. We already gave the that particular title. So you can give any name. Now we have a like this radio button where you can select either yes or no. Okay. So I already covered about radio button. So I'm not giving more that particular thing radio button. So okay. So this is how we can create a sidebar. So whenever we create a dashboard, sidebar is also important. That's why I covered sidebar also before going to dashboard. Okay, thank you so much. In next session, I will discuss more about Streamlit. Thank you so much.